what's up guys? Peppa Pig to the rescue. Today in this video, me and Ollie are gonna be doing some stuff. I don't know. Oh my god, stop. This is my dog, Oliver. But you call him Ollie. It's only Oliver whenever he's bad. And he's bad a lot. I love you. Okay, I love you and you're beautiful, but you really make me mad. I think we're gonna go to Starbucks and get one of those, like, because they have like pod drinks. So I'm gonna go there. And then we need to go to Petco and I'm gonna get you a toy. I'm gonna let you pick it out. Maybe some treats if you're good. You excited? Huh? Are you excited? Are you excited? Oh, yeah, this is how we play for you. Just kidding. I would never hurt my dog. I love my dog. That's my bra. Stop it. I'm just trying to do my makeup. Oh my god, you're so needy. Oh, no, no, no. Can you go somewhere? Can you go somewhere? Stop. Oliver. This is Ollie. Ollie, say hello to the camera. Ollie, show your face. Beautiful. This is my dog and I love him. And today is dedicated to him because he's been at my mommy's house and I haven't got to spend any time with him and I miss you. Adventure starts now. So I went to the window, I was like, hey, do y'all have those dog drinks? And she was like, you mean a cup of whipped cream? I was like, you know what, sure. So I got it. He's gonna eat it. I think he likes it. Oh, this is making me so happy. I think I might cry. Get your whole snout in there. There you go. No hands. Shit. Okay, he finished it all. Way to go, cowboy. Are you excited? Yeah? Ollie? The treats. So I got him some bones, and I think he likes them. I let him pick them out. And then I got him a cute little sweater and some stuff for his whip because it stank. And they were on clearance, so you know. He made me run. Now, we're just gonna go home for a little bit. Think of something else to do. I don't know yet. I don't know what we're gonna do. What do you wanna do? I'm out of breath. He's not out of breath. He's in shape. Must be nice. Okay, so now we're home and I got him a little patty from Whataburger. Did you just fart? It smells like you farted. Oh my god. Maybe that's what stinks. Gourmet meals. That's for you. Oh, my bra. Oh my god, you just ate it in one bite. What the hell? Oh, it's all over my bed now. I did not think this through. Okay. I got your cute little sweater. Ha! Gotcha. Give me your paw. Okay. Gotta do the other side. Gotta do the other side. Now get up. Get up. Show the people your new sweater. Get up. You've been sleeping for like 7 hours. Stand up. Up. Whenever I want you to get up, you don't want to get up. But when I want you to lay down, you don't want to lay down. Okay. Get up. Stand. There you go. Show everybody your new sweater. Looks so cute. Look at the camera. walk for him. Do a little 360. Ooh. Ooh. It's just so good. He has been sleeping for so long, and he still won't get up. Well, this is the end of Ollie's day, because now all he wants to do is sleep. But it's fine. Thanks for watching. Go tell him to give me a thumbs up, and go press that like button, press that subscribe button, and leave me some nice comments, bro. And if you like my dog, he probably likes you too, because he likes everybody. Okay, well, y'all have a great day, night, evening, whatever time you're watching this. I hope it's a great whatever. Me and Ollie are... I'm gonna watch Netflix and Ollie's gonna sleep. Because that's what he loves to do. He loves to sleep. I wish he would sweep, that'd be great. Why are you sighing? Literally nothing is happening. Okay. Thanks for watching. Somebody tell me how to get my dog active. Let's go play. He keeps farting. Okay, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.